Hey guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the little bell icon to get regular update for my new videos.
Hi guys, this is Neetu and welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another nail art. In today's design, I'm only using black and white combination flower. This flower look a lot like ice pencil's flower, which grows in winter but with different colors of course. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start with our video.
Start with a base coat. I'm using this Revlon nail polish. Once I'm done with my base coat, I'm going to use this white polish all over my nail. Guys, my nail polish is little thin, so I think I need to go for 2 coats so that I get a perfect opacity for my stamping nail art. Once it's dried, I'm going to start with my index finger. I'm using this stamping plate and this particular flower. For my index finger, I'm going to apply a black polish over it. Just scrape the extra and pick up the design with your stamp. Put it on your finger and press it gently. For my middle finger, I'm going to use these 2 flowers because there is enough space. Guys, I'm in a mood of a classic white and black combination. That's why I'm going with it. You can go with any other combination of your choice or according to the dress you are going to wear. This see-through stamp makes it so easy because you can see where you want to place the design and how you want to place the design. I really like this stamp. Don't worry about the extra polish getting on your skin because you can easily remove it with the help of a brush and some acetone in it. For my ring finger, I'm using this bird's design. Just place it on your finger and just press it gently. We are all done. Now before you apply a top coat, make sure that your stamping polish is completely dry. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give a thumbs up if you want to see more nail art design. If you tried this nail art at home, then don't forget to let me know. I will be back with some more design. Till then, bye. Take care.